guys, NaJae back here with another video. So, I know it's been a few days since I have posted a video. It's because I was really sick. It was bad. So I wasn't feeling well. But you know, I was still working, still doing what I'm supposed to be doing, sharing products like I'm supposed to be doing. This video is going to be about November's Essential Awards promo this month. So, they got some pretty cool stuff on here too. So for 100 PV, if you spend 100 PV, you'll get a bonus essential rewards 5 milliliter nutmeg vitality bottle, and that actually looks like, sorry for all the movement guys, I kind of like holding my phone this way better, and the lighting looks better. So, but the 5 milliliter, well, this is, did they say Vitality? Yep. So, Vitality, I actually have it. Haven't really used it. I don't know what to use it for. So, if you have used this bottle of Nutmeg Vitality, leave me some comments down below letting me know how you use this oil, because I would like to try it. Okay, and then there is, if you spend 190 PV, you'll get 15 milliliter Christmas Spirit, a bonus ER 5 milliliter Northern Lights Black Spruce, a bonus ER 5 milliliter Nutmeg Vitality. So I heard Christmas Spirit's a really popular one. So, you know, around the seasons. So Halloween's finally over with. Got Thanksgiving and then you finally got Christmas. So people are going to be more into Christmas time. So that's really a good one. And that retail value is $78.62. So if you were to spend 190 PV, you would be getting those free products. And you don't have to pay $78 and some change. It's pretty good. So if you spend $250, you'll get a bottle of 5 milliliter myrrh, 15 milliliter Christmas Spirit, bonus ER of 5 milliliter Northern Lights Black Spruce, bonus ER 5 milliliter Nutmeg Vitality. So that's pretty cool. So like I said, in the retail value of those four oils that I just mentioned, the retail value for that is $113.82. So if you were to spend $250, you're getting those bottles for free. You're not paying that price. So that's pretty cool. 300 PV, the retail value of these products. So you have 6 products from Young Living, and the retail value is $196.06. So if you were to spend 300 PV, you would be getting 5 milliliter sacred frankincense, a glass diffuser ornament. I wish I had it because it looks really cool, and I'm thinking about just buying the ornament because the ornament looks pretty cool. A 5 milliliter bottle of myrrh, 15 milliliter Christmas Spirit, bonus ER 5 milliliter Northern Lights Black Spruce, bonus ER 5 milliliter Nutmeg. So that is pretty awesome because sacred frankincense is pretty popular with Young Living, just like the regular frankincense. I haven't used that one. I heard a lot about Northern Lights Black Spruce. That's a really good one too. So they got some really good oils for free once you spend the PV that you choose. Okay, and then they're also doing this new thing where they're doing 400 PV now. So I guess this is their new essential oil blend that they have. So if you spend over 400 PV, you'll get a 5 milliliter bottle of Higher Unity. Never heard of that one. I kind of want to use it. A 5 milliliter bottle of sacred frankincense, a glass diffuser ornament, a 5 milliliter bottle of myrrh, 15 milliliter of Christmas Spirit, and then the bonus ER 5 milliliter Northern Lights Black Spruce, and then excuse me, and then the bonus ER 5 milliliter bottle of Nutmeg Vitality. So, and for the 400 PV, you would be saving $367.11 just from getting those free products. That's pretty cool because you can get a bunch of products and then get those products on top of that for free. So if you don't understand essential awards, I would gladly explain it more to you. So if you want, you can leave me a comment down below this video. Okay. Honestly, the only one I have is Nutmeg Vitality, and that's kind of sad because I kind of want to try everything else. But it's pretty cool. I believe my mom has Myrrh, so I have to take that from her and see how that goes. But the Higher Unity, I heard, is really nice. I don't have it on my... Okay. Yeah, I don't have it on my other notes. But if you want to know more about the oils that I mentioned, I could give you more information. Just gotta leave me a comment down below. So any of the oils that you have used, or if you already got your Essential Awards order for November, please let me know how you use the oils, how you like them, stuff like that. Okay, and please, you can go ahead and like this video. Please subscribe to my channel that I have on YouTube, and hit the bell when you so you can be notified when I do post another video, because I'm back posting on my video every other day. I owe you guys a few videos, I know, I'm sorry, but I feel much better. You guys would not have wanted to see me the way I was, okay, for the past couple of days, but I feel much better. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.